Finding the best laptop for engineering students is tough when you need real power on a budget. I personally bought and tested 5 laptops to see which ones survive heavy CAD software and programming blocks without crashing. Here is my honest take.
Product number 1, Lenovo V15 Laptop. When I first picked up this laptop, the textured chassis felt incredibly rugged and ready to be shoved into a heavy college backpack. I put its 6-core processor to the test by running complex MATLAB simulations and compilation scripts. I noticed that the processing power handled multi-threaded math tasks smoothly without choking or freezing up. The 15.6-inch screen gives you plenty of breathing room to keep your coding terminal and textbook open side by side. My favorite part during my week of testing was how quiet the cooling fan stayed under a heavy programming load. If you are an engineering student who needs a dependable, full-sized keyboard with a numeric pad for numerical data entry without spending a fortune, this is the budget champion you want. It seamlessly moves you into your project workflow without any annoying hiccups.
Product number 2, Apple MacBook Neo. Lifting this ultra-slim aluminum machine, I was amazed by how light it felt in my hand. I booted up some Python scripts and lightweight rendering tasks to see how this mobile architecture translates to a full operating system. I noticed the performance is exceptionally snappy, especially with single-core tasks that engineering software relies on heavily. The screen is absolutely beautiful, making long nights of reviewing complex wiring diagrams much easier on your eyes. My favorite part during testing was the fanless design. It stays totally silent in the university library while giving you over 12 hours of real-world battery life on a single charge. If you prefer the ecosystem and need a compact, highly reliable machine that lasts all day through lectures without a charger, this entry-level model is an absolute steal.
Product number 3, HP Laptop Computer for Students. Holding this sleek device, the clean finish and lightweight build made it feel perfect for carrying across campus all day. I tested it out by opening multiple heavy browser tabs, a massive spreadsheet, and a 3D modeling viewer at the same time. The intelligent processing engine actively balances the workload, keeping transitions smooth so you can multitask between classes without lagging. It comes bundled with a full year of productivity software, which saved me from paying extra for basic documentation tools right out of the box. I noticed the webcam and microphone array are exceptionally crisp, making it great for remote engineering group projects or virtual presentations. If you're looking for a reliable, well-rounded machine optimized for daily coursework and smart multitasking, this setup offers fantastic value.
Product number 4, Dell 15 Laptop DC15250. The moment I opened this lid, the smooth response of the high refresh rate display immediately caught my eye. Everything from scrolling through dense coding documentation to spinning a 3D part model looked incredibly fluid and clean. I put it through its paces with some intensive rendering software and noticed the thermal design handles heat incredibly well, keeping the palm rest cool while working. The build feels solid, and it passed military-grade durability testing, meaning it can take some serious daily abuse in your backpack. My favorite part was the overall stability under stress. It just keeps chewing through tasks without stuttering. If your engineering coursework involves a lot of visual design, simulation, or interactive modeling, this responsive setup is the absolute sweet spot for performance.
Product number 5, HP Ultrabook 14. When I ran my fingers across this slim frame, the compact 14-inch design felt like the ultimate compromise between portability and screen real estate. I tested it as my main mobile workstation, running solid modeling tools and structural analysis programs on the go. The battery easily got me through a full day of classes, and the fast charging capability topped it up quickly between lectures. I noticed the keyboard backlighting is perfectly balanced, making it a lifesaver for late-night study sessions in dimly lit dorm rooms. It packs all the essential high-speed ports you need to plug in external lab equipment or flash drives without carrying annoying adapters. If you want an ultra-portable, professional-grade machine that balances power with effortless travel convenience, this compact device wraps up our list beautifully. All 5 of these laptops bring great performance to the table for your engineering journey. If you need raw screen size and numerical keys, grab the large budget units. For ultimate battery and quiet study, the compact options are perfect. Check the description links for the best prices today.